I once had a teacher who actually slapped me upside the head when I used the phrase, "Awale amana'iaina le polabe motu maitua." He slapped me because he said, "Ye e manatua, remember, o le pola le la ua motu itua. E le te motu. Wala ona motu. Ona watimu ia sautia malaina. Lana tautua. Lea wo e maluhai. Awala le motu e lea manaia. Lea ngai tau o la a motu ia le pola le la. E tau ona whaatumu le pū lawa tu e pola. Lea ngau le tala lea wo whaalongo. Whai mai, awa lea manaia le pola motu mai tua ono tala nisi tangata. Ai o lau lava tauwhi, whai toa tasi. Masalo le tala tonu hai awel vai ngā laia. O le upilea tātou i sa mo whamai. Ko le uri e o wā ngai. In English, I'm trying to say that le pola motu itua served its purpose. Le pola motu itua did what it needed to do to cover you and to protect you. But now that it has fallen, we say do not mind it. No, we have to pay attention. We have to remember that it did its duty. It faced the beating down of the sun, the rain, and the dew or the mist. It faced all of that to give us shade. So we have to remember le pola lai motu tua. However, the term or the phrase that in Samoan is used in this case, e owo wali ngai, or leave the puppy bark, and then ngai. Yeah. Pa mai la io so pare jiri chacha ya Tatiana malato pese peon tato masa niai.